Alright, so we just got back from Home Depot. I figured I would do a quick unboxing video because I bought one of these tools, or tool sets. I come with a bunch of these. So, I have the Ryobi 6-piece Ultimate Combo. I actually was thinking about getting the 10-piece, I believe it was, because I had a few more tools that I thought I might need, but they don't actually sell it in the store. That you can only order online, and a lot of the stuff I needed to do today, so I just ponied up for the 6-piece instead. I only need 3 of these tools. I only need it for the reciprocating saw, circular saw, and multi-tool. I already have a drill, and I don't really need an impact driver at this point. And the flashlight, I didn't really need. But I was looking at what the price would have been if I would have bought all these tools separately, plus the 2 batteries it comes with and the charger, not to mention the tool bag, which I wouldn't necessarily need, but comes with this anyway. And it's well over the $2.99 Home Depot is charging for this piece. So I ended up just going with this, even though I don't need the half the tools that come with this, just because it was a far better deal this way. So I figured I'd give you a quick unboxing of this and yeah, let you see what's inside it. Up here it gives you all the specifications. The saw is a 5.5-inch saw. It's all wireless. Let's get into it. It looks like everything comes in the bag. I thought the lady at Home Depot had said it came with 2 bags, but I think she was wrong. I think it only comes with this one. It's kind of nice package. There's like literally no foam or anything in that box, which I like. Let's see what's in here. Alright, now you get into the more the traditional kind of plastic and packing. So I'll start with a drill, since I'm not terribly interested in it. It's got, screwdriver bit. Chuck seems alright, although it's plastic. I've never owned Ryobi tools before, so I'm not really sure what to expect in terms of quality. The tools I have, sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to adjust this for you. Tools I have currently, I have a Craftsman and a Black & Decker drill. I've heard good things about Ryobi, especially their cordless products, and so that's why I got this. But time will really tell. Looks like it comes with some instruction manuals. It also comes with blades for both the reciprocating saw and the circular saw, which is kind of nice. I didn't expect that, plus all your documentation, various instruction manuals, and let's see, what's this? Guides and that kind of thing. Everybody at Home Depot stressed registering this thing, so I'm going to take care of that tonight. I guess they have some decent benefits if you do register. Next you have the 30-minute battery charger. So this was kind of attractive because it comes with 2 batteries, and each battery charges within 30 minutes. So I'm thinking, hopefully, if each tool is able to last longer than 30 minutes on a battery, I should have pretty smooth operation of this, but time will tell. Alright. And apologize for the mess here. Not in, you're a little bit discombobulated with moving all our stuff and all the work going on in the house, so this is just kind of immediate need stuff. So next piece is, it looks like these are the pieces for the multi-tool. Open this up. One thing I'm noticing right away is there's not like, and there might be in here, but there's not like a smaller bag for all these pieces. And that would have been a nice thing to include, but, we'll see. Oh, that fell. Alright. Jeez. So that looks just like Allen key, the chuck for the multi-tool, some multi-tool attachments. It's like, it's like Velcro. Oh, that's pretty neat. So you got some sanding pads there and a circular cutter. Oh, that's nice. It's a decent amount of stuff to come with it. I'm kind of surprised the saws come with it because it lists everything on the package that comes with it, I didn't realize, and it doesn't say anything about blades or sandpaper or anything like that. So I kind of assumed it wouldn't come with anything. Since when you buy the tool separately, it doesn't even come with a battery, which another reason why I went this way, since the batteries were included in the price, and the batteries are kind of expensive at like $79 a pop. And this one has 2 of them, so you're practically just buying the batteries. Speaking of which, here are the batteries. Here's the first one. Get this plugged in, powered up. Snaps right in. This is the second one, which I bet they don't come with a charge. No, they come with a little bit of a charge, but not enough to use the tool with, I'm sure. Alright, next, I believe this is the impact driver. Like I said, I had about a year ago when I was working on a project, I would have actually had more use for this because I actually needed an impact driver. But now I don't really know what I'm going to use that for. So we shall see. Next is the multi-tool. So I'm going to use this to cut the heads off some tacks and to try to take off some wallpaper later today, which I saw done online, and thought, hey, that's an interesting idea. So I'm looking forward to seeing this. I think this head might also be detachable. Let me see, is it? I think it might be. These look like they might press in and come off. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, so this can actually drive a whole bunch of other tools too. It looks like you can do a router and what's the other things? Let me see. Rigid job max. Maybe a jigsaw and a router, and yeah, I don't know what those other two are. But that's that. Almost looks like the impact driver could be on that too. Doesn't give you a hearty click when you do that. Let me see. Yeah, that doesn't look the same. It almost looks like it has the impact driver on that picture, but I don't see how that works. Alright, here's the reciprocating saw. Crack that out. Pretty beefy. This is probably the best feeling of the tools I've taken out so far. It feels pretty sturdy. Oh, sorry for the dog. Dog next door is barking. This is a... I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a trigger lock or what. I haven't used one of these in years, so I gotta kind of refamiliarize myself. I would think this would be a safety, but it doesn't seem to want to engage, so I don't know if you have to have the battery on to do it, or what the deal is. Looks like lifting this up is how you slide the blade in and out. But yeah, it definitely feels solid. It does not feel weak. But I'm going to be using this later today to cut out that dumbwaiter in the basement. So, well, if I have time. Might have to wait till next weekend or tomorrow. Who knows. This is the flashlight, which again, it's nice. We need a nice flashlight here. It's dark in the basement, but not really something I was looking for. Feels very cheap, very lightweight plastic. I don't think it would survive a fall. But you know, honestly, this probably costs them next to nothing. It says it has a rotating head, which is kind of cool. So I guess you can put it on the ground, you know, use it as a light up, which is handy, and it rotates both directions, but it doesn't rotate all the way, if you see that. Isn't that weird? But it will do it this way. Oh no, I guess it doesn't. Well, that's kind of funny. It says it's brighter and, you know, all that kind of stuff. We'll have to see about that, but either way, you know. This I'm pretty excited about. This is a 5.5-inch circular saw. I'm going to have plenty of uses for this coming up. It's got a plastic guard That's kind of weak. Not terribly. I thought, well, I mean, it feels very sturdy. I don't have any reason at this moment to doubt that it will be, you know, usable. It doesn't feel like it's going to break apart in my hands or anything. I guess the battery goes in there. Again, it's got this, this button that I thought might be a lock, or oh, that's what it's a thumb safety. So that's actually kind of a cool feature. So you have to push your thumb in and then be able to pull the trigger, otherwise it'll lock it off. And I think that's what how this one works too. Yeah, that's it. So you have to push that in. That's a good idea. I like that. That way when you're carrying it this way, it doesn't accidentally turn on. But yeah, so 5.5 inch. That's adjustments on this. No, I think I'll be able to figure it out. Yeah, there you go. Yep, so you can cut all sorts of angles on that. And go back to the baseline there. Well, aside from the plastic guard, which, like I said, not a huge fan of that. It seems like a decent tool. It's got a laser too. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a laser right in there. So that's nice. Nice little feature. This is all plastic though. There's not a lot of, I mean, I can tell there's obviously metal inside. The plate's metal. This is metal. But all this exterior stuff is all plastic, which, you know, I didn't spend a lot of time looking at these. The last time I had a circular saw, though, all of it was metal, except for, you know, the plastic casing. So we'll see how it stands up. Yeah, so that's it. That is everything that comes in this kit, and I'm gonna go plug this in and see how it works. So yeah, thanks for checking out this this unboxing video. I'm gonna go rebox everything now. And but let me know if you have any questions about it. I'll be filming a whole bunch of videos where I actually use all this stuff. So if you want to check those out, I'll have those linked. And yeah, keep watching this channel for more home renovation material as we continue to remodel our 1924 Victorian. Kind of bring it up to modern day. Oh, look at that. That all fits really nicely too. I'm pretty happy with that. That is a nice little. It stays together for the most part too. Well, again, thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for videos in the future. Otherwise, keep watching, and wish us luck. Have a good one.